That engineer tried to escape us.
Yeah, where's he going?
That's because I didn't drop the Dave quick enough.
God damn it, Dave.
He's like, fuck it, I'm out of here.
Engineer praying on the left. Maybe.
That's a bad rupture, my bad.
Try and cheat in a little bit to give the people with volatile fire a little more room. Fair range, just kind of get a little closer.
Doing really good.
Alright, move to elementals.
Fucking rupture right there.
Everyone
on primal.
Group on column. Kills the flag. Primal.
Let's go.
We clean up bad.
Bad.
Cool.
Oh.
How'd you die?
Blast.
Primalist. Or primal, whatever.
Jump higher, people are blowing up here.
Sorry, got discombobulated when I ran.
Push more on. It's like 3.
There's one at 20. Yeah. Oh, gun. Everyone's go.
Primal.
Let's go.
Why are we so slow? Come on, guys. Push it.
Get healing cooldowns ready.
Not bad.
Tank's gotta watch out for people on fire too.
Get in the back.
Go ahead and top off.
Stack melts towards the wall.
We have some ads. Fire caller and security guard.
Top off. Okay, thanks. What?
Did you taunt him back?
No. We gotta move.
Yeah, keep that boss ahead. Melt's got a little messed up back here.
What are we using here?
Not up
Another
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
We're way ahead.
Just push boss.
Let's go. Is that 44 really all he's at?
Push boss will hero and kill him.
We got this guy.
Oh my god. Careful with those melts, guys. You need to watch those out.
Keep moving that boss a little forward.
Move.
We're coming up close.
Move, I got melt on me, Snoop.
We still got plenty of room to work with here.
We got all the way back to the back wall. So
25
not too worried.
seconds for hero.
Survive.
Keep
Pop and
pinching.
magic.
Keep moving.
Biscuit's dying.
Keep moving the boss. Like really faster.
Hero on 3. Use your pre-pot.
Dead.
We got one more B-res, we're good.
Kill him, kill him.
Get out of that melt.
Keep moving, keep moving.
do one.
Can I get
Keep
cooldown
moving.
instead of possible, please?
Spurn.
We are
Keep
at
moving.
10 million.
Just keep moving, keep burning.
If you have a raid cooldown, use it. I don't care what it is.
Pre-pot if you haven't.
Oh my god.
Good work, guys.
Shh.
Not over yet.
Holy fuck.
Oh my god, is that a
Good
fucking
job.
great feeling?
Primal.
Oh, yeah. That's
My
awesome.
dick is so hard right now.
Oh my god, we got 30 minutes. Let's get black hand, bitches.
Fuck that.
Let's wait till 11 to get black hand. Fuck it.
Oh, fuck
Yeah,
you,
for
you got
real,
my
I'm
pan.
down.
Oh.
It only took 42 attempts.
It's because I'm here. I'm fucking good luck, you know?
Oh cool, I got the bracers I wanted.